Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and this is a really good kitchen life hack. We're in lockdown, we can't do a lot of shopping at the moment. I'm going to show you a real budget way how to get around having to go to the shops all the time. I've bought myself a couple of chickens, whole chickens, fresh, and I've got my meat cleaver. You could use a knife, and I'm just going to show you how I joint a chicken up. I'm just going to cut down the thigh bone there and just look for that little joint between that and the carcass. Once you find that, just run your knife through that joint and we'll end up with two Marylands. Okay, now with these two chickens we ended up making something like 5 different meals, and these chickens were on special, of course. Cost us around about $6 each. A great little budget way and a great little hack. Save you some money and save you having to go do the shopping. So just cut through that joint like I'm doing there, and I'm struggling, of course. If you haven't watched this channel before, yes, I do have multiple sclerosis, and sometimes getting the brain to talk to hands is a little bit of an issue. So as you can see, I am struggling a little bit there. It is a day after I've sort of pushed myself a bit too far, and I am a little bit fatigued. There is one of our Marylands. Now I'm not editing this video at all. This is all in real time. Just shows you how quick and easy it is to joint a chicken and get different cuts out of the chicken itself. Right, so once again, let's look for that little knuckle there on the hip bone. That's the word I was looking for. Just run your knife through, or your cleaver in this case. Run that through and cut that parson's nose off a little bit as well. And before you know it, we'll end up with something absolutely incredible. As you can see, this video is not very long, so it doesn't take very long at all. But when you're a little bit uncoordinated like I am at the moment, it just makes it a little bit harder. So just cut through that joint like that. Before you know it, we'll have our second Maryland out. And be nice and careful. Just, you shouldn't cut towards yourself. I'm sort of breaking all the rules that I've been learnt and taught over the years. So just cut through like that. And there is our second Maryland. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut now. I'm going to cut the breasts off, but I'm going to leave the wings on. It's a nice little way that you can actually make really cool chicken Kievs or other things like that. I ended up making schnitzels out of some of these breasts. I also used some of these breasts in a chicken soup recipe that is going to be in another video. So just cut through close to the bone. Make sure you get rid of that cartilage that runs straight down the back. Be nice and careful, of course. I have gone back to a filleting knife for this bit because I want to cut as close as I can to the rib cage of the chicken. So just cut nice and carefully down along the bones, and be careful of the wishbone. That's probably the dodgiest bit of the whole process. Just make sure you cut on the outside of that, and sometimes you can get a little disorientated. Well, I do. And there is our wishbone. We know where that is now. Hold that up. The reason I am wearing a glove is that will actually give you a little bit of assistance with a bit of grip. So just cut through, get down to that knuckle or the shoulder of the chicken. Just cut through that joint like that, and before you know it, we're going to have 4 nice big pieces of chicken. Keep the carcasses, they're really important. Just put those in a bag, put those in the refrigerator overnight, and I'm going to use those to make up some chicken stock. Again, another video that we have done or we're about to release. So just cut down through alongside the other side of that cartilage, go down along the rib cage of the bird like I am doing there. Okay, you can see what's going on. I'm going to keep cutting while I finish this video off. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. I'd like to see you try and do this one at home. Great budget way to help feed the family. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn simple recipes, difficult ones, kitchen hacks, life hacks. You need to come and join the family, my family, and I will catch you next time. Bye!